Ever find yourself squinting at those small letters on your iPad's keyboard? Maybe you have bigger fingers or just want to crave an extra little space while on typing marathons. Fear not, because this video is just for you. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to make your iPad keyboards bigger. Apple has an inbuilt zoom option that you can try to use and make the keyboard's area bigger. Open Settings, head to Accessibility, head over to Zoom and turn off the toggle in front of Zoom. As you can see, this box makes any area of your screen bigger. To turn it off, just double tap with your 3 fingers and the box is gone. Let us see how it can help you to type better. For example, we are on a website. Let's open the keyboard and let's open the box. Now, for example, if I have to type E and then I'll bring it back and type R, it can be a bit tricky, but it gets the work done. If you have a floating keyboard on your iPad, all you have to do is to select or tap the tablet icon at the bottom and set the keyboard at the bottom of the screen. This will make it bigger. And for further magnification, you can turn on the zoom button that we have explained earlier, and you can see the buttons clearly. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what other videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.